Welcome back to another exciting episode of Civvie Unboxes stuff here on Civvie 000 or whatever the branding is at this point. I can't remember. Today we got ourselves a tablet for $0. I put a bunch of thumbprints all over it already. But more importantly, we got a tablet stand slash keyboard. So let's see what that's about. It's a universal compact ergonomic keyboard cover and stand, which probably means it's Bluetooth. Wow. Anyway, it apparently slides apart, which is a cool box designed for iOS, Android, and Windows mobile devices. If you are using a Windows mobile device at this size, you're probably doing it wrong. Okay, let's see what it says on the back. It says, "I'm friendly, versatile programming, unified stand, compatible with virtually any tablet or phone." Wow. You take your device, you take the stand and keyboard, put them together. Oh, could be any better. But it's also comfy, clever, special. Okay. I'm pretty sure that means it has like start, stop, and a Windows key. I'm tireless. Can you even say that about yourself? Are you tireless? Because I for sure am not. You can apparently charge it or you can keep it charged for 3 months, which is good because it's a Bluetooth, probably LE at that point, like the low power one. And I'm slim, only 6.7 millimeters. That's quite small. So let's bust into this. No seals. It's a manly decision right there. I like it. So let's get in here. We've got a USB to mini adapter, which is good because more of that. Some delicious silica. I'm just gonna put this with the rest of my silica. I actually keep these. Where's my bag? Because 3D printer stuff sometimes gets a little wet. So I just have this bag of silica that apparently dries it out. I don't know, but I've got it. I don't suggest eating the bag. That's my pro tip. Don't eat the bag. Mainly because you can't eat the plastic. I've tried. I've done my best. All right. So there's some nice foam. That's some nice foam right there. There is a quick start guide, which probably basically says like, plug it in. Yes, it says plug it in. It says, here's the buttons. This is actually kind of useful because I was thinking of getting one for the streaming PC in here for the Bluetooth, because the PC's kind of out of the way. Whereas if I could just get a keyboard that it slides. If I could just get a keyboard that I can just like put back in the desk, that's actually kind of nice. So here's our case. Wow. Here are some mushy. Oh my goodness. Let me just. Ooh. The mush. And the sticker caps? Oh yeah, those appear to be stickers. Now maybe they're etched in a little bit, but like, oh boy. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. This is a tiny keyboard for tablets. It's not supposed to be good. Okay, so rotate outward to engage device stand. Out of this case. Oh god, it's stuck in the case. Don't drop it on the ground like you did your phone, you dumb shit. Okay, here we go. I did it. Okay, so we put the device. Maybe I should have read the instructions. Okay, so you definitely flip that. And then like, okay, hold on. Sometimes being a man isn't the correct decision. Sometimes you look at the book. How does this work? Okay, you take it out, and then with the goes like this. Oh, too easy. not a particularly big tablet for this use. But yeah, there we go. And then, let's see. Ready to go with 80% of the battery charge. Turn on. Simply slide the power button to the on. There's where you plug in the power, right there. Get that out of the way. And the power button is on this side. So it's a little tiny switch. Dook. And then this is your pairing button, and it starts to glow while you're doing it. So I will just turn that off because I'm going to figure that out later. But yeah, there's a nice little keyboard. We'll have to play with it to try and see how it ends up. It'd be good for talking on Twitch chat at the very least. Better than reaching over and being like, which is how the paint stream works. So for today, I'm Civvie, and I don't think this is compatible with the stand, technically. Although this stand stands by itself. So maybe like being compatible with the stand isn't necessary in this case, because you could just do this, right? That's probably better. Get it in frame. How about that? There. Wow. I'm Civvie. I'll see you guys next time.